National Executive Committee, any National Council, ACI. Now, and normal, we do that now for and America to be in their own. In America, June 25, every year, party, a very party school, the balance, the war, which has had a whole day now, so, and the master, and the job of the devil, you know, every two National Council, National Council for hours. Some people are June 25, party, the party school, the balance. We are this one. Committee a yɛwura from David lawyer ɛda ano sɛ ɔmo hwɛ yɛ party constitution no baabi a sakaya sɛ ɛbɛ no ɔmo party no na the yɛwura professor Mampé recommendations ɔmo ɛba yɛ ɔmo committee no ɛne akɔakɔa recommendations ɔmo ɛba yɛ ɔmo nsa sɛ ɔmo hwɛ ɛnɛ committee no de ɔmo asɛm ɛbɛto party no sɛ ɛdɛ ɛne sɛ ɔmo ɛwia nsa. The party vote say expansion. Our electoral president, although the former party, those who the command of four can say former MPs for former commissions for the former MPs for former this number party. Emma almost can say the global person also a presidential branch. I died in presidential branch. But we see Emma said. That people they know that there were National Council, the National Council, they will capture that, they will try presidential branch. The last the National Council, actually, the Apple News said, January 31st, 2026, passed the very presidential branch. They use branch to the party. National Council, and they are about to do that. Consider now, okay, now, really, you know, and American say of constitution. As no idea to say, July 19, as no Indonesia, now, American PIC, they are all the population, as no Africa is having. Now, and I'm saying, Congress and party the Republican and about 60 regions. Continue National Council acting in the poor over share to get the Congress the also as the United States of the world. In the poor, continue National Council honorable you the same also. But the leader that no more the constituency on the chairman. And Apache, National Organizer, Vice Chairman. Honorable Jerry Ahmed, seated Deputy Minority Whip, also a member. Honorable Chairman Divine Otu, who is a Chairman, Ekamo. Haruna Mohammed, Deputy General Secretary, or the Secretary of the CEO. Honorable Abraham Hussein Asare, a member of the committee. National Treasurer, Robert Salabanda, Ekamo. Madam Safia Mohammed, Deputy National Organizer, Ekamo. And Salam Mustafa, National Youth Organizer. Only people who are the community of the Serbia, the Executive Conference of the the party no SRK discipline myself. The National Council is here. Say your before I am all. Say of council no I am to and not here how to council or party no more. And Kasaba party no be no. The idea party no National Council need no more. And then in the California National Council, National Council no discipline committee. There is no party to for the donor new for the concept. Young person sample for the casa. Say they are no better than home to die. And then to work and say the outside and the party ground say they see party ground. That's a net is a cost on National Council. where they have gotten to. And I'm happy to say that we are on course as a political party to launch our party school on June 2025. On June 25, 2025. The committee, that is National Executive Committee and the National Council, also received reports from the Amendment Committee chaired by Mr. Frank Davis or Lawyer Frank Davis. And the words of the committee, they received over 300 proposals from the rank and file sympathizers of our party. And they briefed the National Council on where they got into and the key areas that the National Council has to take a decision on. With respect to the call for expansion of our electoral college, indeed the committee spoke about it. And again, that decision as to the number of expansion or the expansion level will be determined at the delegate conference scheduled to take place in July. The committee also spoke about the time for our presidential primaries. And again, the committee agrees that that decision does not warrant amendment of our constitution, but in line with the spirit and letter of Article 30 of the NPP constitution, that power is good with National Council to make that decision. And National Council today also made a decision that the date for our presidential primaries is set for January 31st, 2026. That will be the date that we shall hold our presidential primaries.